Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp is the fairy tale that both the Disney Aladdins are based upon. The general gist of the story remains the same. Aladdin is tricked by an evil man to retrieve a lamp from a magical cave. This lamp then contains a genie that can grant his wishes. Aladdin then uses these wishes to gain power and marry the princess. The evil man is eventually defeated, and they all live happily ever after. While these general plot points stay the same, there are many changes that Disney made when adapting the story to film by increasing and decreasing the roles that certain characters play. Focusing specifically on the character of the princess, in Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, the princess is seen as less of a person and more of an object. She receives no name and is given to Aladdin in exchange for the treasures that he magically wished for. In Disney's animated version of the tale, the princess is finally given the name of Jasmine, and while she is still seen as an object to some characters in the story, the audience begins to see her as more of a human being who has hopes and dreams of her own. While Disney's animated Aladdin has improved and changed the character of Jasmine in a positive way compared to the original text, there are still many parts to this movie that are degrading and represent women poorly. With the release of Disney's live-action remake of Aladdin, many of these problems are fixed, as we see a change in the roles that women play in the story, specifically with the character of Princess Jasmine and her increased authority, education, and agency.